And we welcome you to Music City, Nashville, Tennessee, and a very big season ender for the Jaguars and the Tennessee Titans. Jeff, this is what you want, the chance to close it out. It doesn't get any bigger than this.
No, it doesn't, and because of the results of yesterday's game, the Jaguars' only path to the playoffs is to win today, which would once again clinch the AFC South in the process. Essentially, the playoffs start today for this football team, and as far as I'm concerned, you wouldn't want it any other way.
Let's go. Love you, fellas. Let's get after it. Hey, bring it every play, one play at a time. Make them quit. Let's go. Make them quit. Hey, one play at a time. Let's go. Let's go. Love you. Let's go. No bless today, baby. Let's go.
Second down, they'll say he officially lost a yard, so back to the 24-yard line. Shotgun for Trevor Lawrence. 2 right, 2 left. Trevor drops. Fires middle of the field. That's caught by Evan Ingram. Evan turned it upfield. He got it to near the 35-yard line. That'll be an 11-yard gain and a first down for Jacksonville. 3 right or 3 left, 2 right for Trevor. Long snap count here. 4-man front they send for. Trevor drops. Fires right side, and that ball is going to be caught. That's Calvin Ridley. He steps out of bounds after making the catch near the 30-yard line of Tennessee. They'll mark it at the 31-yard line. That'll be a first down after a 15-yard gain. Brandon McManus on for a 44-yarder. He was 4 out of 4 a week ago after struggling in recent weeks. 4 out of 4 a week ago. 28 of 35 on the year. This is a 44-yarder from the left hash. Logan Cook puts it down. McManus kicks it up. And the 44-yard field goal is good. And Jacksonville strikes first at Nissan Stadium.
Good hard run. Good hard run. It's a great start, though.
The veteran Ryan Tannehill, 35 years old, will start for this team. He is in his 12th year. He's the backup now, though, to the rookie Will Levis, but Levis is hurt. So Tannehill possibly his final game as a Tennessee Titan. Third down now, 3rd and 6. It's the first third down of the game on this drive for Tennessee. 4 receivers are all to the right, 1 to the left, so it's an empty backfield for Ryan Tannehill. 4-man front for the Jags. They're showing blitz here. Let's see if they come. Tannehill throws it out of the backfield into the right flat, and that's going to be yards along the right sideline, inside the 10, inside the 5, into the end zone, touchdown. Tajay Spears scores for Tennessee, a 28-yard touchdown catch from Ryan Tannehill.
Sure. We're going to run it up. Yeah. We're going to run it up.
Rather first and 15 now from the 41-yard line. Shotgun for Trevor. Etienne back in the game. He motions out of there now. Dropping his Trevor. Looking, stepping up, fires it deep downfield. Once Calvin Ridley. Calvin's out there. Calvin's got it. 5-yard line. Into the end zone. Touchdown. Trevor Lawrence to Calvin Ridley for the score.
You didn't slow down at all.
No. I seen that safety.
No, that protection. That was perfect. The protection was great. The safety did exactly what we thought. I want you.
If we were ever wondering about the shoulder of Trevor Lawrence, erase any concern. Trevor climbs the pocket and throws an absolute dime to Calvin Ridley, who had Murphy bunny beat down the middle.
Well, 0 ran right by 0, and he had a full 2 steps on it, and that ball hit Ridley in stride, perfect. You could not execute any better. Great route by Calvin, great throw, great protection. What a play.
Derrick Henry, the running back, 2 left, 1 right. Tannehill under center. 5-man front for Jacksonville. They run it with Henry to the left side. Picks his way to the 10-yard line, to the 5-yard line. Into the end zone, touchdown, Derrick Henry. Second and goal from the 3-yard line. Spears in the game now in place of Derrick Henry. Shotgun for Tannehill. They hand it to Tajay Spears into the middle of the line. He's into the end zone for the touchdown. A 3-yard touchdown run by Tajay Spears, and the Titans have extended the lead over the Jaguars.
But right now, you got to find a way, if you're this Jaguars defense, to get off the field and get into the locker room and kind of get everything settled down.
Long snap count. Now he drops the throw, 4-man rush. Looking, he's going to get hit, he's going to get sacked. The Jags get him on the ground. Trayvon Walker got him at the 44-yard line. Trayvon now has 10 sacks on the season, and that's a big play for that Jaguars defense back at the Tennessee 44-yard line.
That's on you. That's on you. Great.
Ty Zentner will punt from his own 30. He got the snap. He got the snap. And the Jags are going to get him. The Jags are going to get him on the ground around the 38-yard line. That is a break for Jacksonville. It's a 30-yard field goal from the right hash. McManus, again, good from 44 earlier today. Logan puts it down. McManus kicks it up. And the 30-yard field goal is good. And the Jags score on the final play of the half.
Guys, so at halftime, Doug Peterson was very calm when he talked to the guys, and it had little to do about X's and O's. He said, look, you're in a moment of adversity. You can either pull it together or you can start finger pointing. He employed them. Hey, just focus on the little things, one play at a time. Everyone just do your job. Defense gets stops, offense put the ball in the end zone. It's as simple as that.
They'll give it to Henry again, running middle of the field, all kind of room, 40. 45, 50, Jaguar territory, 40. Along the right sideline, 30, 25. Still in bounds. Derrick Henry got it all the way down to the 4-yard line. I mean, he just exploded out of there. Second and goal from the 6. Tannehill drops, looks, fires back in the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown by DeAndre Hopkins.
Well, and as a team, you're kind of exactly where you didn't want to be. You wanted to be able to have a controlled offense in this game. Well, now that you're down by 15, that goes out the window a lot.
Trevor scrambles right, fires downfield, and that ball's going to be caught, and that'll be a first down. That is Evan Ingram on the far sideline, got it inside the 30. Dropping is Trevor, looking, fires in the left side of the end zone. That ball's going to be caught for the touchdown. Evan Ingram in the left corner of the end zone. Touchdown, Jacksonville.
I told you. Leader. So we made them. Let's go.
Well, I don't know if that was intentional or not, but Trevor throws it to the outside of Evan Ingram. Evan was in the left side of the end zone. He's looking to the inside. Trevor throws it to the outside away from where the Titans defender was, and Evan Ingram makes a catch completely untouched by any Tennessee Titan.
And this is where it comes to the defense now. Because what you can't do is let the Titans put together the 5 to 7 minute drive, hand it off to Derrick Henry, and going down and getting any points.
Play fake. Tannehill drops. Fires middle of the field. That ball picked off by the Jaguars. Andre Cisco's running it back 40, 30, along the far sideline. Andre Cisco picked it off and ran it back inside the 30. How good is that?
That's a great call. That's a big-time play right there for Cisco. Now a career-high interceptions. That is 4 on the year, and I don't think any of them were bigger than that one. He steps right in front of DeAndre Hopkins. He knows that Tannehill is going to go his direction, and he gets the big play in a needed moment.
Second down goal from the 7. Empty backfield. Dearness Johnson, the running back, but he splits out. Trevor drops. Fires toward the goal line. That ball's going to be caught and tackled near the 1-yard line was Zay Jones. at the 1 yard line on the near sideline. Zay Jones, 3rd and goal from the 1. 3 tight ends, extra offensive linemen. This is power football. Trevor rolls to the right. He's still looking. He wants to throw. He had to throw that away in the back of the end zone. They called a pass play from the 1 yard line. It wasn't there, so Trevor had to fire it out of the back of the end zone. Now it's 4th and goal from the 1 yard line. Under center is Trevor. I formation. 4th and goal. Trevor dives into the end zone.
They didn't get it.
They say the ball went over on downs. That's one I've got to believe you'll have to challenge it.
It's the right call. He is a length of the football short. There's nothing to challenge there, and Doug cannot challenge it because it'll cost you a timeout.
All right, 3:15 to play in the ball game. Here's the story. The Titans lead 28-20. They have a 3rd and 11 of their own 36. The Jags are out of timeout, so you got to get off the field here. If you win the game, you win the AFC South, and you head to the playoffs. If you lose the game, your season is over. Tannehill drops. He gets hit. He's going to get sacked. The Jags are going to get him. So the Jags do get a chance to go on offense at least one more time here.
In big moments, your big-time players need to make big-time plays. And is the moment any bigger than this? No. Somebody's got to make a play.
4th down and 2. 4th and 2 from your own 33. 28-20 game, 1:50 to play. Titans showing blitz. They come again. He drops. Fires left side way too high. Incomplete. The ball goes over on downs. The Titans will take a knee a few times. And the Jags will be turned away here at Nissan Stadium. Bill, as our final game of the year, didn't end the way we wanted to, but we certainly enjoyed the season. It was a season of a lot of highs, and it ended on some lows, but hopefully can bounce back. Like Bucky said, you now know what the offseason will bring for this team and what they have to do to repair the problems of this end season.